Hi, this is Shahul from Pantech ProLabs. Today we are going to see demo on FPGA implementation of noise removal technique using median filtering technique. In this demo, we have Spartan 3 FPGA image processing kit with us. We are going to implement that median filtering algorithm using Xilinx Platform Studio and download the program onto FPGA and see the image processing output through VBGuide. Let's see the demo. First, turn on the kit. In Xilinx Platform Studio, I already created the project for median filtering. Now, under device configuration, select download bitstream. Once the bitstream get downloaded onto FPGA, you can see the done LED is glowing on it. Now under debug, go to launch XMD. Here we have to open that median filter executable linker file directory, that is cd space median. In this directory we have list of files. We can check that using ls command. Under this we have to download the executable.elf file, that is by using dow space executable.elf. So the program is not properly downloading. We have to select the executable linker script. We have to generate linker script. We have to change it to SRAM. Once we set all those memory to SRAM, okay. After doing this process, again rebuild the project. Now again download that ELF file. Now the program gets downloaded onto FPGA. Now we have to open that Visual Basic Guide to view the output. This is the Visual Basic Guide of 128 x 128 image viewing window and serial data receiving window and display button over here. We have to type the run command and enter to see the output. You can see that serial data is receiving at 9600 baud rate. This is nothing but image pixel values. This can be plotted over this 128 x 128 pixel image viewing window by entering the display image. This is the noisy image we have received. The image consists of black and white salt and pepper noise, which we are going to remove using noise removing algorithm on this project. After receiving this input image, now we will implement the noise removal technique over it. Now when you press display image, you can see that noise removed output. That salt or pepper noise getting removed from the actual image. So you can see that entire image, that noise is removed. So this is the simple implementation of median filtering technique